Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel, where today we step inside something that will blow your mind. Imagine taking one of the most iconic trucks in American history, the Kenworth T2000, and transforming it into a futuristic motorhome that redefines what luxury on the road really means. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. From the very first glance, this machine grabs your attention. The bold aerodynamic design has been completely reimagined for efficiency and elegance. Sleek LED matrix headlights, a chrome-detailed grille, and sculpted lines make it look more like a luxury supercoach than a truck conversion. But once you step inside, you realize this is not just transportation, it's a rolling masterpiece of engineering and design. The interior is where the magic truly happens. Step through the automatic sliding doors and you're greeted with an open-concept living space that rivals a high-end apartment. Polished wood flooring, ambient gold-accented lighting, and panoramic smart glass windows instantly elevate the mood. The lounge area is fitted with leather reclining seats, a 4K ultra-wide smart TV, and a built-in surround sound system that makes you forget you're even on the road. Moving into the kitchen, Kenworth has spared no expense. Stainless steel appliances, a full-sized refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a hidden dishwasher make it a chef's paradise. Smart controls allow you to adjust lighting, temperature, and even order groceries on the go. The bedroom is another level of luxury. A king-size memory foam bed with integrated massage functions, adaptive climate control, and starlight ceiling lighting ensure every night feels like staying in a 5-star suite. And the bathroom? Heated marble floors, a rainfall shower, and a spa-style vanity with touchless controls. This is not RV living, this is luxury living. But here's where Kenworth pushes boundaries even further: technology. The 2026 T2000 Motorhome is fully equipped with AI driving assistance, autopilot highway cruising, and solar-powered energy storage that reduces fuel consumption drastically. The cockpit looks like something out of a futuristic jet, with digital displays, augmented reality navigation, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. For those who love traveling off-grid, the T2000 comes with extendable side panels that transform into a full patio setup. Imagine pulling over at a scenic mountain spot, pressing a button, and within minutes, enjoying a private outdoor lounge, complete with retractable awnings and smart lighting. So what do you think? Would you take this futuristic beast on your next road trip? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more luxury machine reviews. And as always, thanks for watching Auto Plus.